The 2022 Mercedes-Benz EQS is the Benz first dedicated electric car and the first of Mercedes EQ to be available on US market. Automaker claims that it has the world's lowest drag coefficient, 0.20, and the world's largest in-car screen sporting 56 inches of gauges and infotainment. The electric motors making 516 horsepower, the EQS is inspired by the F-015 concept car and aims to put Mercedes-Benz at the top and starting in the electric vehicle arena. The EQS will be available in two different versions. The EQS 450 Plus will be a rear-wheel drive and make 329 horsepower. The EQS 580 4MATIC will be dual-motor all-wheel drive with 516 horsepower output. Both will be on market already fall 2021. Both models will be equipped four-wheel steering as well as Mercedes full driver assistance package, adaptive suspension, panoramic sunroof, and a bunch of tech-friendly features including Burmester 3D sound, MBUX infotainment system, wireless smartphone connectivity, and charging with 6 USB-C ports. The main pinnacle and attention grabber of interior is the 56.0-inch hyperscreen. Mercedes-Benz design chief Gordon Wagner said that this is first time someone has dematerialized the whole instrument panel, replaced it with a screen. Speaking about size of it, when you see this, everything else look outdated. The hyperscreen is coated with a single piece of Gorilla Glass and it spans across the entire dashboard. It has 3 displays within. The instrument panel is a standard LCD display as the center and passenger displays are OLED to serve for better infotainment experience and brighter contrast. The new screen is combined with machine learning powered widgets over a 3D map of the area around the car. The widgets learn from the driver's behavior and patterns, eventually offering gadgets that are needed in the right time and place based on driver usage patterns. The other option is more simple. 12.8-inch portrait orientation single display mounted tablet in the middle of the dash. The EQS's 400-volt battery pack with 107.8 kilowatt of usable energy enables a range of 478 miles. In case of emergency, the car can shut down high-voltage systems automatically. Mercedes has made the EQS as sleek as possible. All the design and details are made so that the slippery coefficient of drag, CD, is as low as possible, 0.20. The underbody is smooth, the front is arrow-shaped, the rear end design and spoiler are optimized and have special rear wheel spoilers. Overall, extensive attention to details. Mercedes thinks not only about the luxury and comfort of the clients. About 176 pounds of the EQ's curb is composed of recycled plastic, recycled yarn, and sustainably produced aluminum. The factory in Sildelfingen, Germany, where the EQS will be produced, is carbon neutral thanks to its solar power array and also rainwater recycling, planted roofs, and recycled concrete facade from old buildings. If you like the video, feel free to like and subscribe to see more awesome videos. Thanks for watching.